Hey there, this is Jasmine with WTI. If you're looking for a new kitchen drying mat or a bath mat, let me share with you Tosoro's Flow Sandstone Diatomaceous Earth Stone. This is a beautiful piece of art that is functional and versatile. This stone has given us back our sink space when we want to hand wash dishes. It absorbs the water and literally dries quickly in front of your eyes. It's like a little presto changeo trick. It looks great in any space and is typically used as a bath mat. It comes with a non-slip mat and again is quick to absorb and dissipate water. I even tried to soak this thing and it was nearly impossible because of how fast it allows the water to dry. It also comes with a small sandpaper round for surface level spots or stains. You just simply sand away the imperfections and it still looks like new. We love having functional, natural elements in our home, and we know you will love this product too. And that's my point of view.